What's up, everybody? I'm going to talk today real briefly about something that I absolutely love. This right here, my favorite baby wipes. Now you're asking, why am I going to talk about baby wipes when Maddie is grown up? Well, personally, I like to use these. These are WaterWipes. These are the world's purest baby wipes ever. 99.9% water and a drop of fruit extract. I want to be clear, these will do the job. This will get your bottom clean. This will get your baby's bottom clean. This will get your toddler's bottom clean. This will get your preschooler's bottom clean. This will get your granny's bottom clean. WaterWipes, the world's purest baby wipes ever. And I will tell you, this video is not sponsored. These are the baby wipes you want to use. There is one problem with these baby wipes, that when you pull them out, they don't always pull out very well. That did a great job. That doesn't pull out very well. When you pull these out, sometimes they don't really pull out very well. Okay, I just pulled 2 of them out, and they pulled out perfectly. All right, this is a brand new one from the store we got today. Let me talk about these wipes right here. They're not dripping wet, which I love, but they're still plenty wet. You know what I mean? The difference between dripping wet and plenty wet? These things, okay, a little water is dripping off of them now, but that's only because I'm slinging them around. I don't know if you can see the water going everywhere or not. These baby wipes also last a while because you don't have to use as many of these to get to bottom clean. I'm going to tuck these back in, which probably shouldn't do. I just wanted to tell you guys how much I absolutely, truly, absolutely love these baby water wipes. Next go around, instead of buying the Pampers like we did before, I am buying these water wipes. Water wipes. Definitely the most pure form of water wipes available. Now, I know there are going to be people out there that comment that say these are not the most pure water wipes out there. I challenge you. Tell me which baby wipes are the best baby wipes for your kid. Down there in the comments below. You can certainly do that. And while you're doing that, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. That way we can have this conversation back and forth and figure out, you know, what's best for your baby, maybe what's best for my baby, what's best for their baby over there and this other baby over here. Do you know what else you can use this thing with? You can use this with something like the Munchkin Glow Wipe Warmer. And I just so happen to have a video about that right there. So go ahead and click on that video and see how you can use these water wipes with that Munchkin Glow Wipe Warmer. Peace. Oh, that didn't work out so well.